Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Oreo cookie bars. Let's begin. So to start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, your granulated white sugar and your light brown sugar, and beat them all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Then you can go ahead and add in your eggs and vanilla. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. This will change the consistency of the batter, but don't worry, we can fix this in a moment. You'll then want to give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. And again, make sure you get the bottom and the sides of the bowl very well. Now you can add a sieve to your bowl and place the flour, the baking powder and the salt into it, passing it through so it removes any lumps that may have been in the mixture. Then you can go ahead and add in your chocolate chips and your Oreo biscuits which have been roughly chopped, and start to mix it on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium speed, just until everything is fully incorporated and it goes that kind of Oreo grey looking colour, which is perfect. Give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can grab yourself a shallow sided 8-inch baking tin. I've used a square, but feel free to use a circular tin as well, and just spread it out until it's all level, or as level as you can get it. I find an offset or cranked palette knife works best. Then this is completely optional, but I like to add just a dash or a sprinkle of chocolate chips on top. Then I like to take some more Oreo cookies which have been roughly chopped and just place them all over the top until the top has a good covering, so each slice of it will have more Oreo, because if you're making these, who doesn't want more Oreo? You can then go ahead and place your cookie bars into the oven. I will leave all that information in a blog post which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check out the description for the link for that. And here are what they look like once they're fully baked and cooled. Then you can remove them from the tin and then start to cut them up. I cut mine into 16 smaller square sized portions, but feel free to cut them into 8 much more generously sized portions, but again, that's completely up to you. These cookie bars are just like having a cookie, but it's thicker and denser, because who doesn't want that in a cookie? As you can tell, you get Oreo and chocolate chip on top, then you've got the ooey gooey cookie Oreo centre. It's perfect. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link directly to this recipe, a link to my blog, and a link to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over there. And that's all for this week, so thank you so much. Goodbye guys.